Post-game press conference from the USD Raleigh Tigers is winning against the FU Lady Tamas 101-84 to book their third straight finals appearance. It is USD's first sweep since stats were first recorded in 2003. First season sweep since no elimination. So we have Coach Heidi O, we have Koy Dalana, Eka Soriano, and Oma Omeno. Coach led by 18 in the first half, tapos bumabay sa single digits in the fourth quarter, but was able to rebound with a 19-point lead and then win by 17. So ano pa masabi niyo? Third straight finals.
Unang-muna sa lahat, kudos to Coach Riza and FEU Lady Tamaraws. They played really well and they gave us a hard time. Maganda rin yun para parang warm up for the final, so kudos to them. And of course, we're happy na sweep namin, but the job is not yet done. We still have 2 more games to end the season, so we will take a break muna after this, reset and review what needs to be improved para sa sarili muna namin, because we don't know pa kung sino yung competitor namin. So we really have to improve ourselves pa rin coming after this 14-0 sweep.
Thank you, Coach. Koy Dalanan, 15 points on 7 of his shooting plus 6 rebounds. What can you say that ganito ka efficient yung shooting performance mo helping USD sweep the elimination?
Masaya lang po na yun nga po, nung second half nakabawi ako. Yung first half po kasi medyo maalat, foul trouble lagi, ganun. And yung mindset ko lang pag ganun na foul trouble ako sa first half, babawi ako ng second half. And yun, sinunod ko lang yung sistema ni Coach na tumakbo lang kami kasi nga yun yung parang pinaka-play ng USDA, yung mga fast break points namin. So, yun po.
Thank you, Boy. Oma Onyano, 14 points and 9 rebounds plus 2 assists. So, welcome to your first championship series. How does it feel?
It feels good. I feel blessed to be among the UST women basketball team, and I hope we get this championship.
Thank you, Oma and Eka Soriano. We have 13 points and 7 assists plus 3 rebounds. Second consecutive all-around game. So, sama-sama third straight finals appearance sa UST.
Ano po ulit? Sorry.
Sabi mo na third straight finals appearance sa UST and a chance to win 2 in 3 years.
Sobrang happy lang na-end namin yung maayos yung elimination, and syempre kumpiyansa to para sa amin sa upcoming finals, and syempre tuloy-tuloy pa rin, trabaho lang kami. Walang pahinga.
Thank you, Eka. The floor is open for questions.
Coach, sabi mo nga, long break for you, antay nyo kung sino yung mga kalaban nyo. But at this point ba, nararamdaman mo ba sa team mo na tingin nila na this is their championship to lose? Kumbaga, andun na sila and they just have to do the right thing?
Always naman at the start of the season, I told them always to give their best kung saan kami makarating. Now that the opportunity is here already, we're going straight to the finals. I think nagmamatter is our character and our identity as a team. How we handle yung championship series against kung sino man yung team. As coaches, kami naman, we are going to help them prepare for that scenario sa championship, and the rest talaga mangyayari na yung adjustment sa mga bata na talaga.
Oma, this may be your first finals in the UAAP, but you also had the championship in the WMPPL. You guys lost that finals. How motivated are you to get this one this time around?
Well, actually, I would say that is a lesson, and now, we've worked so hard to come this far. Every day, the effort we put in. So, we just have to put in the same effort that we started with. We have to finish with the effort, and I know we will get the championship.
For Koy and Eka na lang, kamusta yung confidence nyo ngayon? Of course, undefeated, pero yun nga, parang tingin nyo ba parang kayo na yung team to beat ngayong season?
Ang hirap
Siguro hindi kami titigil na magtrabaho. Hanggat hindi pa natatapos, sabi nga ni Coach, job not finished. So, tatrabaho na try namin and hanggang sa makuha namin yung goal.
Yun nga, sabi ni Ate kanina, parang gusto sa confidence namin yung panalong to. And yun, hindi pa tapos yung laban and hindi naman kami yung defending champion. So, yung mentality namin is kailangan magtrabaho pa rin para mabawi namin yung championship na yun.
Ito na lang, pinaka-ticket yung pinaka-emotional.
Kanina.
After nun, then yun na nga, siguro in terms of yung pagtagal siya din, siguro ikaw yung struck siguro by the history you made. Hindi pa naman tapos, pero gano'n lang ka-fulfilling na may ganito kayo mga.
Naalala ko na nung pumasok ako sa UST. Siguro 7 years na kami magkasama ni Coach. Alam ko yung hirap din ng mga seniors ko before. Talagang kahit yung mag-import pa kami ng celebration. Talagang tinatrabaho namin ito. Ngayon super happy ako kasi history to para sa amin nila Coach and sa buong team. Nakakatuwa kasi dati pangarap ka ngayon, nakuha na, pero hindi pa dito nagtatapos.
Kay Koy lang, simula nung season 82, girls, team pa kayo ng kambal mo. Kayo na yung, kumbaga, tinitingnan kayo bilang future na nitong UST. Ngayon, nandito na sa seniors. Siguro, gano'n lang kayo pa-confident na ngayon sa ginagalaw nyo, knowing na medyo napabagal yung development nyo dahil sa injuries.
Yun nga po, tinamaan ng injuries during pandemic and I'm happy lang na hindi nawala yung tiwala ni Coach Heidi sa amin. Kahit na, yun nga, puro injuries, hindi kami nakapaglaro ng ilang season, pero andun pa rin yung tiwala niya na kaya namin parang ibalik pa yung performance namin nung high school.
Coach, ayun nga, yung kambal, parehang bumabalik na yung laro ngayon. Siguro gano'n ka lang kasaya na. Ito, kumbaga perfect time kasi ito na, padulo niya.
Una sa lahat, pinukwenta ko yung opera nila times 2 parate, no? Kaya niloloko ko sila. Yung return of investment ko dapat ngayong taon na para mabayaran nila yung utang nila. But kidding aside, of course, sabi ko nga dun sa Kambal Parate, I started the high school program because of them. Kahit wala pang UAAP, nakita ko sila, nagpunta sila sa akin. As young as 13 years old, na sa akin na sila Koy at saka si Kai. So, sila yung mga malalapit sa puso ko, yung mga kambal. So, kahit anong mangyari, anong injury, nandyan kami ng UST, umalalay sa kanila. And I think yung investment nung sa kambal, unti-unti na nakikita ng mga tao. And hopefully, healthy season, matapos sila na healthy season.
Coach, the past 3 finals, syempre ang big difference yung ngayon is obviously having Oma. Ano po yung nakikita niyo role niya sa finals na to, regardless of season?
Sinasabi ko naman, I'm telling Oma, like, kahit wala sa stats, the points, the rebounds, but the gravity whenever she's in the court, malaking bagay. It opens up yung mga shooters namin. We get more second chance points kasi si Oma draws 2 or 3 player when it comes to offensive rebounding. So, very crucial and vital for me is Oma talaga. And I keep pushing her pa rin on training. And I shout at her. And, and number 1 instruction for Oma is to talk and to shout. She's a big girl, but she's a sweet lady.
Coach, of course, medyo matagal yung i-play natin kasi na naman sila mga lalaki.
Ano nga pala? Ano pala schedule nga ninyo?
Ano po, depende. Kung manalo yung STL na sa Sunday na yung umpisa na step natin. Pero if not, baka mag-play off kayo. Pag nanalo yung FPU sa UST.
Ngayon. Ateneo.
Parang may dalawang step natin. For number 4.
Pero I think yung women's mauna na o hindi?
Step ladder din po sila.
So,
Baka coach ang first game yung baka 10, December 10.
December 10.
or 6.
Or hindi ko alam kung depende ba. Pero baka ganun.
Okay.
We're excited to propose. Medyo makaba yung hintayin natin. So
Yeah.
how do we like shape of Russ and perhaps complacency?
Tomorrow, ang plano ko, mag-free throw lang sila. Hanggang magdamag. Then, so, we have to correct yung free throw this month. So, we will give time to the free throws. And of course, yun nga sabi ko, we'll take siguro muna 1 or 2 days break to recover. Importante yung rehab ng mga bata. It's not a very easy season. And we come back siguro next year.
Right, thank you, Coach. Congratulations to the Titans.
Thank you.